Guys, it's 10:16 p.m. 10:17 to be exact. So let's go back lang sa trade natin. As of now, hindi ko pala na-discuss yung pinaka-indicators natin kasi sa desktop mas maganda tong makita, no? Pero discuss ko na lang din dito sa video natin today. I will reverse this setup na lang. Ayan, kasi we can see some rejection dito eh. So punta lang tayo muna dito sa may chart icon, ito candlesticks icon, ayan, and then we can add dito guys ng mga indicators, no? So like for example, punta lang tayo dito sa may settings, ayan, and then hanapin lang natin dito yung settings and trading view, ayan, no? So pagkatapos nyan, I think okay na yan. Let's go back lang. Ayan, so dito makikita mo talaga yung pinaka charts nya, no? And we can add indicators, like for example, select lang natin ito, lagay ako dito EMA, yan, moving average exponential, and then close, and then dito settings lang, and palitan ko siya or update ko ng 50. Ayan, okay. So sa VWAP kasi natin, we can add like VWAP. Ayan, default lang tong VWAP eh. Tapos punta tayo sa 15 minutes dito. Na re-reject na kasi tong zone na to eh, itong area na to sa 15 minutes, no? So we decided to reverse our setup. So mamaya puntahan natin, pero palitan lang natin yung kulay ng VWAP natin. Ito, settings lang, and then sa style palitan ko ng kulay puti, ayan, no? And then okay. So nare-reject na to sa 15 minutes, ayan. So this means high probability siya na bumagsak, no, or bumaba. So gagawin natin ay yung strategy sa short, no? So let's go back, and then close all ko lang ito, and then confirm. I'll enter short, meaning if ever na bumagsak, doon tayo magkaka-profits, pero pag tumaas, doon tayo malulas. So dito 10x pala yung ginamit natin, oh. Hindi ko na-explain during day 1, pero I'll explain na lang dito sa day 2 natin. So 10% din yung ginawa ko na SL, so meaning halos magkalapit lang sa liquidation or may hit na yung liquidation before patamaan yung stop loss, since isolated ito. Kaya gagawin ko dito different yung calculation sa SL or stop loss compare sa take profit. So I'll short this one, select ko lang ito dito like 184.80, done. Tapos 20% or 25%, ayan, and then sell short, confirm. So yun is naka limit order lang, no? Ayan, so pag tinamaan niya yung 184.80, that's the time na mapupunta siya dito sa positions, no? So balik tayo sa orders. Good thing dito, we can set na ng TPSL. So select lang natin ito, and then take profit as stop loss, select natin ito. Ayan, so yung pinaka-explanation ko kasi nung day 1 ay nag-set ako sa 10%, since naka 10x leverage. Pag magkaroon ng increase into like 10%, I'll get liquidated doon, no? Or mauubos yung 25% natin na ginamit. So ngayon, adjust ko yung pinaka stop loss into 8%, ayan, and then yung TP natin yung magiging 10% na. So ganyan yung pinaka setup na ngayon. So confirm ko lang ito. Ayan, I'll keep you posted na lang guys by tomorrow if ever naman na ma-hit itong limit order natin, no? Then let's go back home. Ayan, yan yung pinaka spark lines. Then balik tayo dito sa trade. Puntahan natin itong may small clock paper icon. Trade history, makikita natin dito. Ayan. Yung order history, ayan, makikita natin. We can also check yung position and asset. Ayan. Order history and open orders, no? So, I'll keep you posted, guys, by tomorrow. Kasi, as of now, 10:23 na. 23 PM. So, update ko na lang kayo bukas, guys. Guys, update lang. So, it's 2:35 PM. Sobrang choppy nga ng market. Weekend. So, yung updated natin dito sa ating 1 USDT. So, ito. Good thing nakikita yung pinaka-spark lines, guys, no? Ayan, no? So, we started yesterday with the 1 USDT. Right now, 96 cents. We'll see how it goes, but hopefully guys, you get some ideas dun sa diniscuss natin regarding dito sa ating pag-setup ng indicators, no? So, ito still open positions. We have this running. I'll add na lang din dito for like OKB for this one. So, like I set up lang 5x. Continue anyway. Again guys, no, I just from the very first ng ating pag gawa ng challenge natin, first video natin, itong application na ginagamit natin is not yet registered dito sa Pilipinas, pero sobrang tagal na ito, no, over a decade na itong application na ito. You can explore if you're interested naman. You can just check yung official link na nakalagay sa description ng video na ito. And then again guys, no, itong ating challenge is just an experiment for ideas and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. I just wanted to share and show kung ano yung experience ko dito, results, and hindi ito guaranteed guys, no. So yeah, this is not a financial advice. I just want to share my experience. Masagot ko yung questions from the community along this challenge guys, no. Kaya feel free to comment kung meron kayong mga questions. So isasama natin yan sa mga susunod natin na videos along this challenge, no. So for this one, I limit order lang 5x and yeah, 168. Set ko lang dito. Ayan, and then 25% done. I'll sell short, confirm, and then I'll edit na lang dito sa my orders. Itong pin icon, I just set TPSL like 10% TP and then 10% SL, no. So since 5x naman yung ginamit natin, yung during day 1 kasi 10x yung nakaset natin, tas 10% din yung sinet natin. So this means natatamaan na yung liquidation, hindi pa tatamaan yung SL. Pero na-explain ko naman sa video natin dito, no, kanina. So yun, just want to confirm and yun guys, yun yung pinaka-setup for today. Day 2 ng ating challenge. I just share nung updated spark lines dito. Ayan, so 97 cents as of now. And yung omit positions natin, no. So weekend choppy. Ito rin yung magandang araw or like oras para magmuni-muni, just to be like chill muna and take some rest guys, no. So yun lang, hope you get some updates today and day 3 tomorrow. I'll keep you posted na lang dito sa ating YouTube channel for some updates guys, no. So yun, hope you get some insights, update today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.